Hey guys, I'm going to be doing these RPM adjustable body mounts for my two-wheel drive Stampede VXL. The body mounts, as you can see, they're all bent up. So let's see what they look like. So I got the old ones out. It's got these ugly Phillips heads. The new one comes with the body mounts. These are the adjustable pieces. Little RPM sticker and some instructions. You can see these are just all bent and stuff. So we got these stock Phillips heads. I'm going to replace those. I got some RC screws. I've always got extra. We use some of those. I already fastened these on. I'm going to lower the body mount in the back. And let's put it on. Alright, use my MIP tools. You got that all put in there. Got the old one is junk. Let's see what the body looks like. Maybe we have to get the RPM front ones too. Oh, there she is. She's sitting on a little rig. Actually, it looks great. We're gonna got a new body coming. We're gonna do the front mounts too, but man, that really makes the back end look a lot nicer.